So this is the forum module located at this /district/forum, and it works kind of strangely in Cyberschool. It's not very widely used, I'll admit, but on the homepage here, I have this forum one here, and it's the forum widget that we're seeing there. Go ahead and refresh. And we're always going to have this general category here. So over in administration panel, we have this forum manager here. And this is all the categories and all the topics. And I can't delete this general category. We're always going to have it. But I can add a new category. I call this training category. And let me just refresh here. And yeah, that's spelled correctly. Let me refresh here. There's that add subcategory here. And we have this add category button here so we can add more of these. I know it looks strange, but if I go ahead and log out, you'll see that it's not actually there. So let me log back in here. Okay, so now that we have a subcategory, let me go ahead and, now that we have a new category, let me add a subcategory. And I'll call this training subcategory. And I'll just say this is a subcategory for this here. I'm not sure if this is required. I believe it is. Let me save and let's see if that didn't break anything. Yes. So I click save twice and that added two of those. Okay. So let me refresh the widget here. So this is the subcategory and this is the actual description there. So let me go ahead and edit this. Let's remove this here. Okay. Now there's no description. And that description goes away. All right. So what I can do now is I can actually click into this, add a new topic, and we'll say trainings. And let's just get this started off. Let's talk about trainings. And then ellipsis. Create new topic. Okay. So now let me refresh. And it says there's one topic, 0 posts, because this trainings is a topic. And when I click into it, you'll see the very first one here is let's talk about trainings. And I'm able to actually reply to this trainings topics. And we'll say trainings are great. They help out a lot. Oops. Post to discussion. So trainings are great. They help out a lot. Now let me refresh the widget here. And now you see there's one topic with one post here. So let me log out. See training category there. It's not going to actually list the actual forum topic or post, but I can click there and be taken to it. And you'll see this is the training subcategory forum. And it actually lists the post to it. Let's talk about trainings. Trainings are great. Oops, training are great. They help out a lot. All right. And I need to log back in to view the actual forum manager. And there are two here because I had clicked save twice, which is fine. You can always delete the duplicates from the forum manager. But that's essentially how the forums module works.